Hello everyone! Today we are going to create a Yule log on our nail. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Here are the materials you will need. Step 1. On a white acrylic nail, create a soft rectangular shape with the white acrylic and liquid monomer. Then, keep building up this shape into more of a cylindrical log shape by adding about 2 to 3 very dry medium beads of white acrylic and smoothing them out with your brush like I am doing. Step 2. After that, take 2 medium-sized white pearls and place them on the 2 sides of your cylinder to create circles. Place the bead and do not use the brush to change the shape too much. I gently brush the edges of the circle in order to blend it with the log shape and press the circle so it's flat like someone cut the log. Step 3. To finish building our log, add a small log on the side of the big log. Since this is smaller, I would say take about 2 medium-sized beads maximum and repeat the first 2 steps but on a smaller scale as I did before.
Outside is frightful, but my flute is so delightful. While we are sipping our eggnog, we'll have a quick music break.
Step 4. Now that everything is dry, it is time for decorating. Take a dark brown nail polish and paint the whole entire log. Next, take beige or tan colored nail polish and with a small brush paint on swirls on the 3 circles on your cylinders like so to represent the lighter colored cream in the Yule log. Then, take lighter brown nail polish and use it to create wood carvings like so, with little squiggly lines all over the log. Place a gel top coat and cure in a UV or LED lamp. Step 5. Now for the final touches. Find some white glitter or anything that resembles snow and use a no-wipe clear gel top coat and put it on the top of the log. Sometimes adding top coat on top of the snow might dull the white color, so be careful and try some things out. Lastly, if you wish to add any more decorations, you can find stickers or create more 3D shapes if you would like and stick it on the nail with gel polish. I used the holly leaves and berries and the ice skate. Make sure to cure your log in a UV lamp or LED lamp. You're done! Thank you so much for watching and I hope everyone has the happiest holidays because we all deserve some happiness after this horrible year with the virus. See you next year!